Most people believe that modern cars are designed to fail the moment the warranty expires. They call it planned obsolescence. But the truth is, there are vehicles on the road today with 500,000, 700,000, and even 1,000,000 miles on the original engine. These aren't accidents. They're the result of 13 specific engineering secrets that most owners, and even some mechanics, completely ignore. If you want your current vehicle to be the last one you ever have to buy, you need to understand how the machines actually work. The first secret begins before the car even hits its first 1,000 miles. It's the break-in period. Modern manufacturing is precise, but the piston rings still need to seat against the cylinder walls. If you drive at a constant speed on the highway for the first 500 miles, you risk glazing those walls, leading to oil consumption for the rest of the car's life. You must vary your RPMs and avoid full throttle starts to ensure a perfect seal that lasts decades. Second, we have to talk about the lifetime fluid myth. Manufacturers often claim transmission fluid or coolant is filled for life. In the engineering world, life usually means the end of the warranty period, not the end of the car's potential. Every lubricant shears and oxidizes. To reach 500,000 miles, you must ignore the manual's lifetime claims and refresh these fluids every 60,000 miles. Secret number 3 is the cold start ritual. 90% of engine wear occurs in the first 60 seconds after you turn the key. Oil drains into the pan overnight, leaving the top end of your engine dry. Jumping in and hitting the gas immediately is mechanical suicide. Give the oil pump 3 seconds to build pressure and then drive gently until the temperature needle reaches the middle. Never floor a cold engine. The fourth secret is the battle against electrolysis. Over time, engine coolant becomes acidic and begins to carry an electrical charge. This charge literally eats your radiator and heater core from the inside out. Testing your coolant with a multimeter to ensure it's below 0.3 volts can save you thousands in cooling system failures. Fifth, let's look at the rubber components. Most people wait for a belt to snap or a hose to leak, but rubber degrades from the inside out due to heat cycles. Replacing your serpentine belt and radiator hoses every 7 years, regardless of mileage, prevents the catastrophic overheating that kills most high-mileage engines. Before we get to the 6th secret, I want to know, what is the highest mileage you've ever seen on a dashboard? Drop the number and the model of the car in the comments. Let's see which brand is actually winning the endurance race. The 6th secret is the golden rule of sensors. Modern cars don't just die, they drift out of calibration. A dirty mass airflow sensor or a lazy oxygen sensor causes the engine to run slightly rich or lean. You won't get a check engine light, but you will get carbon buildup that eventually kills the valves. Cleaning these sensors every 2 years keeps the combustion cycle perfect. 7 is the dry start prevention. If your car sits for more than a week, the oil film on the bearings can dissipate. If you have a modern car with a flood clear mode, holding the gas pedal to the floor while cranking, use it. This allows the engine to spin and build oil pressure without actually firing, protecting the metal-on-metal surfaces. 8 is about the fuel system. Carbon is the silent killer of direct injection engines. Using top-tier gasoline isn't marketing, it's chemistry. The detergents prevent carbon from baking onto your intake valves, which is a $3,000 repair if left unchecked. 9 is underbody hygiene. It's not about the paint, it's about the chassis. Salt and road grime trap moisture against the brake lines and suspension mounting points. A dedicated undercarriage wash after every winter storm is the difference between a car that looks good and a car that is structurally safe at 20 years old. 10 involves the battery and the alternator. A weak battery forces the alternator to work at 100% capacity constantly, leading to premature failure of the charging system and sensitive electronics. If your battery is over 4 years old, replace it before it starts dragging the rest of the electrical system down with it. 11 is the smoothness factor. High-mileage survivors are almost always driven by people who understand load. Slamming on the brakes or jerky steering inputs not only wears pads and tires, but it stresses the bushings, the engine mounts, and the transmission splines. Smooth inputs preserve the structural integrity of the entire platform. 12 is the magnetic secret. Installing a high-strength neodymium magnet on your oil filter or using a magnetic drain plug captures microscopic steel particles that the paper filter misses. Keeping these abrasives out of your oil galleries is how you keep your bearings looking brand new at 300,000 miles. Finally, the 13th secret, the most important one. It's the listen and feel principle. Most drivers wait for a warning light or a breakdown, but a machine will always tell you it's failing before it actually breaks. A slight vibration in the steering wheel, a new tick at idle, or a change in how the transmission shifts. The owners who make cars last forever are the ones who investigate the small noises before they become big bills. Your car is a collection of systems designed to work in harmony. If you respect the chemistry and the physics behind those systems, there is no reason your odometer can't reach the moon and back.